is Jeannie, and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome to the channel. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for returning and welcome back. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you, I got in my next addition to my blood series. I did go ahead and pick up the next addition to Jeffree Star's release of Blood Money. I was, to be honest, not that much on the fence about this, if you want me to tell you the truth, because when Bloodlust came out, I wanted a green palette. I wanted it to be this palette so bad. I have wanted a green palette in this series for a very, very long time. And quite honestly, I knew that whenever the green palette came out, I was going to purchase this, so I was not on the fence about this one. I have definitely been on the fence about the last few releases. They have not intrigued me at all, but this one, I was really actually excited for. And I'm not too disappointed. Oh my goodness. So whenever you open up the carton, there is $100 bills with his picture in there. It's really cute. I am very glad to see the different wrapping paper. The tissue paper has $100 bills on it with his picture on it. So that is just hilarious to me. I'm really, really liking it. The packaging does look like this. And I have ordered some other pieces to this collection from Beautylish, but Beautylish's shipping is not the fastest this time. It is the one coming from Jeffree Star's website. The palette unicarton is looking like this. Very nicely done. I'm really liking that. And there's the brass opening. You always get a postcard or a little, looks like a postcard anyway. And this is what mine's actually looking like. So it's the one that is on his website with the big, I can't tell whether it's an alligator or a crocodile on here. Yeah, that's what this one's looking like. So yeah, and that's all I ordered off of his actual website. I did get the Lippy bundle. So that should be coming from Beautylish. When you take it out of the carton is here, and the actual packaging just looks like this. It does have a sticker over the top that protects the Blood Money right here. So that does come off. And you're left with just the Blood Money emblem on the top. Squeeze the two locking mechanisms together and pull, and it lifts open. There is a sheet protector in here that comes off, and oh wow, oh, it is really pretty. Oh my goodness, it is not disappointing. So here is your palette. So in this palette, there's going to be matte shades. There's going to be a matte with sparkle. Black Card Limit is going to be that shade right down here. Then you're going to have metallic being Divine Intervention, Poison Ivy, CEO, Emerald Estate, Tax Free, and Secret Stash. And then there's going to be one extreme wet shade being Money High. So the palette is just gorgeous. The palette also lists for $52. It is still available on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and at Beautylish. In addition, with this collection, you can find the automatic eyeliners, the mini velour lipstick bundle for the Blood Money collection, as well as 2 separate Extreme Frost highlighters and some clothing items, including a hoodie, as well as the Stoned Lip Balm, the glosses for the Blood Money collection, 2 separate mirrors, along with backpacks and makeup organizers. Those are all available on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and the Beautylish website, except for, I believe, the Extreme Frost highlighters are only available on the Jeffree Star website. So let's get into the swatches. Divine Intervention, which is a metallic, Mint Condition, a matte, Chameleon Fetish, a matte, Poison Ivy, a metallic, Crocodile Tears, a matte, Equity, a matte, Money Heist, which is the extreme wet shade, CEO, which is a metallic, Emerald Estate, which is another metallic, Heavily Weighted, a matte, Jaded, a matte, Private Island, a matte, Self-Made, a matte, Tax Free, I'm going to come up here, metallic, Persuasion, a matte, ooh, very soft, Secret Stash, another metallic, but a very, very dark, soft metallic. It's a very, very dark green. And then Black Card Limit is the, it's the matte with sparkle, and this is a black with a sparkle in it. I'm assuming the sparkle is green, but I really can't tell. I really like that shade Secret Stash. Wow, that's really, really nice. So there's the entire palette again, swatched just on a bare arm. Very nice. So let's get in to doing a look and see how the palette performs. I have on my eyes the Tone Activator Primer from Kaleidos, which is my favorite primer. It's what I use every time. And for my makeup, I do have on the Velour Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree in Leo, and my foundation is done in the Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 by Ilia, with a little bit in the more areas where I need just a little bit more coverage. I have on the number 7 Protect and Perfect all-in-one foundation, and that's kind of my go-to. First, I'm going to go into the shade Mint Condition, and that is this very light mint green shade right here. It's just a little bit of kick up, not bad. Now I'm just going to start building the depth a little bit with this shade called Jaded. And now that that's coming together great, I want to go in and put a little bit of, take a small brush and put a little bit of this shimmer, this Divine Intervention right here on my brow bone. And a packer brush, and I'm going to take that same and go into the inner corner. Oh, that is a really pretty color. Ooh, that one is so pretty. That's Divine Intervention. And let's go into this Secret Stash. And we'll go back and forth. I am really liking the way this look is turning out. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, that will be my look. Now all I need to do is just finish up my eyelashes. So I'll do that off camera. I won't bore you with that, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay guys, I am back. I have on my lashes. I have pretty much all of my makeup done. I really did not put on a highlighter. I was planning on using the Sour Apple highlighter in Extreme Frost from Jeffree Star, but I think I'm going to opt for my Meteorites highlighter instead. It smells so good. This look came out to be a little bit more of a, what I would consider more of a sophisticated glam look. Yeah, I'm really loving it. I would definitely rock this at the office. I would not have a problem wearing this to a holiday party. Really anywhere that I go, I would not have a problem wearing this. I think that this palette is really just absolutely stunning. I am not regretting my purchase. I think it is a gorgeous palette. I think there are a lot that you can do with this palette. Just a lot of looks from really nice olive tones. I think that you can rock some really neutral looks with the olives. I think that you can do some low-key fun summertime looks as well. I think that this shade right here, which I did not use, really pulls the palette together in a way that I'm really happy that that shade is in there for more of neutral tones with some olive browns on the a little bit maybe warmer side of things. But you've got these funky pops of lime as well. So I do think that there's a really big range in this palette. I think that it's a lot prettier in person than it is even in the promo photos. I am really, really happy with the look that I created. It has a green but a subtle blue tone to it, if you will, a gray tone to it. The shade is just absolutely stunning. The one that I went into called Jaded really has a lot of blue undertone to it. So if you want to pair it with a gray top like I did, I think that it really pulls well. This shade, Divine Intervention right here, is really absolutely stunning. I just can't get over it. It's a duochrome. It has a lot of blue in it. It has a lot of green. It's just a pearlescent that really has a lot of pigment to it, a lot of tonal value. Once you put it on, it's really not white at all, although it looks white and ivory in the pan. It's really not on your eye. It's absolutely stunning. So, you know, I'm really, really happy with the way that the look turned out. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I did put on a pair of the Ardell Naked Lashes. Love those. Really, really inexpensive at the drugstore, but just very, very easy to work with. I really, really love this particular pair from them. So if you're interested in using lashes and you have a little bit of a hard time, a little bit of a struggle with them, I just cut off the inner portion, 2 of the little sections. I cut off 2 of those, and then that way they really don't go to the inner side at all. They're much easier to work with that way. And yeah, that's what I did tonight. So I'll come in and let you see the look. But I'm really liking it. You'll have to let me know down in the comments, did you pick up the palette? Are you on a Jeffree ban, a Jeffree halt? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Are you liking this new release from him? Yeah, let me know all about it. I'd love to hear from you. But these are my thoughts on the palette. I'm liking it. I'm really liking the range of this one. The formula is working out great. It's reminding me of Blue Blood. If you're a fan of Blue Blood, you'll know what I mean. And yeah, I'm really excited that I picked this one up. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, found something that you can walk away with helpful, and I look so forward to seeing you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would consider hitting the big red subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps me in the algorithm, and I look so forward to seeing you in the next one. But until then, smooches everybody. Bye-bye till next time. See you in the next one. Bye for now.